A meme is a piece of content that is typically humorous and spreads rapidly across the internet through social sharing and digital reproduction. It can be in the form of an image, video, text, or a combination of these elements. Memes have become one of the most popular and shareable forms of content on social media platforms today. The term meme was coined by Richard Dawkins in 1976. He used it to describe units of cultural information that replicate and evolve, similar to how genes work in biology. Later, this concept was adapted for the internet context to describe self-replicating digital content that spreads through social networks and social media platforms. Memes have four main characteristics. First, they involve creative reproduction, meaning they are remixed and adapted through imitation or digital manipulation while keeping the core elements recognizable. Second, they spread through viral dissemination via social media networks with user-driven sharing. Third, they use intertextuality, blending cultural references and contexts to create new meanings. Finally, memes undergo continual evolution, constantly transforming while maintaining their recognizable identity across variations. Memes have a significant cultural impact on society in multiple ways. They serve as a form of social commentary, reflecting societal attitudes and cultural shifts by distilling complex issues into relatable formats. Memes also shape political discourse through satire and critical messaging, influencing elections and civic engagement. Additionally, they foster community building by creating a sense of belonging and connection across geographical and cultural boundaries through shared humor. The evolution of memes spans four major eras. The early internet era from 1982 to 1999 saw emoticons and ASCII art spread through message boards and email. The viral video era from 2000 to 2009 brought image macros like LOL cats and viral videos. From 2010 to 2020, memes became normalized with trends like Doge and Rage comics, with irony becoming dominant. The modern social era from 2020 onwards features TikTok and Instagram Reels driving rapid trend cycles and hyperironic community memes. The scale of meme creation and sharing is enormous. Between 5 to 6 million memes are created daily worldwide, and approximately 1 million memes are shared daily on Instagram alone. Memes are 10 times more effective than standard marketing visuals. 74% of people share memes primarily to make others laugh. In marketing contexts, memes achieve a 19% click-through rate compared to traditional metrics. 70% of brands now use memes as part of their marketing strategy. Memes significantly outperform traditional marketing approaches. Standard marketing visuals achieve only 5 to 6% engagement rates, whereas meme content reaches approximately 60% engagement rates. In email campaigns, traditional methods generate around 6% click-through rates, but meme campaigns achieve 19% click-through rates. This makes meme marketing substantially more effective for brands looking to increase audience interaction and reach. Multiple major brands have successfully leveraged meme marketing. Domino's Pizza used the Drake album cover trend to promote their garlic and herb dip, reaching audiences beyond their target demographic with viral momentum. Netflix consistently uses relatable show-focused memes on Instagram and Twitter to engage younger audiences, maintaining top-of-mind brand presence. McDonald's addressed a McFlurry spoon confusion through a light-hearted meme and promotional offer via their mobile app, converting confusion into a positive brand moment. Reddit and Superside created ultra-authentic Reddit memes that achieved a 50% increase in click-through rate.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.